Today we're going to cover all of the basics of color theory. Various colors are referred to by their hue. The hue is just the particular color that we're talking about. The primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, are the foundation of the color wheel. Nothing can be mixed to create these three colors, and the mixing of these three colors is responsible for all of the colors that you see on the color wheel. Secondary colors come from mixing primary colors. Yellow and red mix together to make orange, red and blue mix together to make violet, and blue and yellow mix together to make green. The tertiary colors involve the mixing of a secondary color together with a primary color. For example, orange mixed together with yellow will give you yellow-orange, or you can mix it together with red to get red-orange. That applies to all of the secondary colors. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a hue, independent of the color. Saturation refers to the vibrancy or intensity of a color. Orange, for example, is highly saturated. Temperature refers to whether a color feels warm or cool. Colors on the blue half of the color wheel are going to feel cool, while colors on the orange half are going to feel warm. Color harmonies are colors that typically work well together and create a sense of unity. Complementary colors are those which are across from each other on the color wheel, like blue and orange. Monochromatic schemes use only one color with a variation of value and saturation, for example using only orange. Analogous color schemes use colors that are nearby to each other on the color wheel. Triadic color schemes use three colors that are all equidistant on the color wheel. So why does this even matter? Join me in the next part to find out.